guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So Crystal had lost a bet, so she had to do a recipe with Doritos, so she is calling this Dirty Dorito Rice. So what should we do first, Crystal?
Alright, we're gonna put that rice on the bottom of like a casserole dish, which we already sprayed. And then we'll be ready for our next step. And we're gonna make that a nice, even layer like we always do.
Alright, that looks good.
Okay. Now, you see those Doritos in that bowl that we crushed?
Yep.
They're Cool Ranch.
They're nacho cheese.
Nacho cheese, actually. Whoops.
Cool Ranch would work too. That would be good.
Yeah, but I got the nacho cheese ones. So that's gonna go into a layer of its own on top of the rice.
All of it?
Yep.
Alright. Nice even layer of clean hands. Alright, now what?
Now, all that sour cream.
Alright.
What brand did I get again?
Daisy.
Perfect. Love that brand. I don't know about you, but I love it.
Alright, this is looking good. What should we do next?
Now we're gonna put the 2 cans of refried beans on, and we'll be right back.
Alright, so our refried beans are on. This is looking yummy, and we have saved the best for last. Our cheese. We have got some sharp cheddar cheese here going on. They're a nice thick layer.
And I've got the small bag, so you know we're using that whole thing.
Yep. There we go. Alright. I think we're ready for the oven. Should we put the lid on?
For now, and then the last 15 minutes, we're going to take it off. It's going to be in the oven for 40 minutes. So we're going to do 25 with the lid on, and then the last 15 with the lid off.
Alright, and what did we preheat the oven to again?
375.
375.
And we'll see when it's done.
Alright, here it is out of the oven, and now I'm going to cut a nice piece out. Alright, Crystal is giving it a try. How is it? It's good?
Can't wait till you try this. It's good.
Alright, thank you for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye.
Bye.